Hi, I'm Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo East. I'm talking today with Cory Isaacson from CodeFutures. Cory, good morning. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Eric. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. A lot of exciting stuff going on regarding the cloud. Lots of new things, lots of innovative things people are doing. What are you seeing?
The main thing we're seeing is the big data explosion. That's what we really deal with, and that's what we help our customers with.
What's really driving the growth of big data?
You know, more and more applications are now consuming more data. The amount of data that's growing in the world every year is just humongous, and being able to access that data and really do something with it is the key to success for many ventures, existing and new ones.
So being able to do something with it, I think that's, you've struck upon the key. What are people doing with it and how do they go about it?
You know, today most people, what they're doing with it is they're really using it like a big data warehouse, and they're looking at it historically, but what we're seeing is a trend for online transaction processing and also being able to analyze analytics real time, basically looking at them, you know, in flight.
How does that play into what you're doing?
We have a technology called DB Shards, and what we allow you to do is to take big databases and scale them across distributed servers in the cloud. And based on that, we can also tap into the stream of that data and actually expose trends and actions and things like that. It's very exciting.
What is the benefit to the customers of being able to do that?
Well, now they can analyze their data in near real time instead of having to wait, you know, a week, a day, or a month, you know, to be able to see what's happening. So we really can make the business much more responsive than we ever could before, and we can also handle much bigger volume than ever possible.
So really, the whole concept of providing a quicker, more enriched customer experience.
That's right, that's right. So you can really respond to customer events or needs or market events or, you know, alerts, things like that.
What do you do when you run out of space?
You just add more servers. That's how we handle it. So we don't have that problem.
Are there particular industries that you're seeing more and more interest from?
You know, we started out a lot with social networking applications like gaming companies, things like that. Now we're seeing more analytics type applications, transactional applications, and we're actually getting a lot of interest from typical financial services products as well.
So you did mention social media companies. Should people be concerned that the data that their social media companies hold is being compromised or being looked at by the NSA?
I do think they should be concerned. I was kind of concerned to hear about that myself. Fortunately, most of our customers that we work with in the social space are game companies, so I don't think they're too interested in that. So,
do you think that what we have been hearing, what you and I have both been hearing, is going to have an impact on how people use the cloud?
You know, I think most people don't pay enough attention to it actually, so, you know, but I do think that it's kind of an unavoidable thing, you know, if the government has legal access to do it. So it'll be interesting to see how it shakes out.
How are people handling analytics in the cloud?
Like I said, most people today are using the cloud as a big data warehouse, so they're looking at it historically. What we want to do is see if we can change that trend to have a response available from real-time transactions as they're happening.
Do you work with analytics companies?
We do have some analytics customers as well. A big one in Europe that actually monitors websites and things like that, and so we have done quite a bit of that too.
What can we expect in the future?
I think just more improvements in the technology, making it easier to use, more accessible, more capabilities being added and new features.
Excellent, Cory. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
I'm Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo. Follow all of our Cloud Expo coverage in the TMC Video Newsroom.